Another beautiful day in Montana. We're out here in the garage again. I rolled home a little bit early because I wanted some of this sunshine, this beautiful weather, right? So, update on this fucking rack system thing. I lifted it all up by myself because I'm extremely strong for a vegan who doesn't consume meat. And I got my little bolts. I put my little 3-inch fucking bolts into the wall here, and we're standing. My next thing, so that's fucking high. So that's a 12-foot wall right there, if you can see. I don't think you can see. This camera's not really doing me. Oh, I'll turn it sideways. Sorry, everyone that just threw up. All right, so next up, I have to put this winch up top, figure out how this pulley system works, and then put that, and then we're gonna get some dirt bikes off the ground. So I'll be right back. All right, so I'm sort of struggling propping up the fucking camera, as you can tell, but we're assembled. I got the first one on. The kid forgot, I think the bolts that bolt that together, so I'm gonna have to go get those. But outside of that, got this all mounted. I did this all by myself. I didn't need anyone's help because I'm a very strong man. And now this is what happens. Hopefully it all goes well. Hey! Whoa. I just put a dirt bike 12 feet off the ground. So, next up, I gotta fix the little things, and I got 3 more platforms like that, so I can wire my 3 more platforms. But in the meantime, I'm gonna take a photo of that and put it on the internet. That bear is so fast. What's up, bud? So we were like 100 yards from my house, and that's like the cutest little bear ever. Oh, bud. What you doing? Hey, hey, bear. You don't care about me. You don't care about me. What's your name? I want to be on first name basis. Oh, you're just leaving. You don't give a fuck about me. That bear don't care about me. I'm going to leave, and guess who's back? It's my bear friend. Bro, come back here. I want to hang out. He just runs away every time.
Dreams. I won't regret when the sun sets, cause I live my life like I'm a beast. My breath, keep my body ready, focus on the finish, and keep my head steady, breathing.
We fly to Pennsylvania today. We're gonna get a little early lift in. Dana's gonna train dancing. Don't hit this guy on the bike. We got like a long flight today. We land at 12:15 in the morning, and then we go. We're gonna film some content tomorrow at the Warehouse Gym. See a lot of our friends, which is cool, and then we're gonna party on Saturday. Little vow event, which is always a huge event for us. Really, an event that makes me feel very, very good. I mean, we give back here and there, but this is definitely our largest event of the year where we give back. So, ooh, you know where we're at? Where are we at?
Hi, where are we?
Our workout's over.
Stop, take a deep breath. This is the first step.
Got you some hate. Whoa. Guys, so the Bash Bros, Shine. Come on. The Bash Bros are sleeping under the house in the rain. So they are just absolutely disgusting. You guys are gross, man. I love you though. I love you though. I love you. We're going to Pennsylvania. All right, my friend, we're going. You guys. Good morning, good morning.
Buenos dias.
Buenos dias. We're going to the gym. We just woke up. We actually slept pretty well last night.
Like a rock.
We didn't get to the Dana's parents' house until like
The Dana's parents.
hella late, but we're going to meet Matt Vincent, some other people. Oh wait, can I get on here?
Next time.
This is so much different than Montana. Yo, so just got to the gym. I haven't been filming because my friends are here. My boy Casey Walker's here, Matt Vincent's here. Just been doing a lot of talking. My boy Visionaire is here. So we're about to go down in the basement, do some interviews. We just did a tour video of the gym so that we can post that online because the old tour video of the gym is very old. So you'll see that probably on my channel, probably on Dana's channel, I don't know. But we're gonna lift some weights and make sure that everything is ready. Make sure that everybody has all their shit together. Trifecta came through with 20 boxes of food. Each one has maybe 20 meals in it. I don't even know the math on that. This is literally the most food prep food I've ever seen in my life. And just to be clear, Trifecta donated this to us for the Val event. Super fucking cool. There's been so many dope sponsors that came out for this event. This man right here has helped out with a lot of them. You look like an extra from Prison Break.
Yeah.
I like it. This is what I want to win, Philip. Last year I bid on that and I didn't win, or I bought a ticket. I want to win that longboard.
Pretty sick.
Really, really
Total
sick.
longboards.
Really, really
Veteran owned
sick.
and operated.
Oh, I didn't see they had an airplane on their logo. That is fucking awesome.
Knights of the Air.
Wow, that was a really intense evening. So we trained in the basement with everybody. I mean, tons of people here. And then Rudy and a couple other people showed up just now. I was planning on going to sleep, but I think I was called a bitch by a couple people, and now we're going out to eat. It's 10 o'clock. I have to leave in the morning pretty early to go pick up Jay Cutler at the airport, and then I need to host an event. I'm being irresponsible right now, not even wearing my seatbelt.
What's up, guys? Casey Mitchell, better known as that One Leg Monster.
I'm Matt Vincent.
I'm Bonnie Schroeder.
My name's Rudy Reyes.